Zairyu, or simply residence card in English, is an ID for foreign residents in Japan. It shows your identification information, period of stay, your status of residence, and so on. In this video, we will show you the basic information you need to know in acquiring a residence card. This card is required to be held by most long-term residents who possess citizenship from a country other than Japan. It is also required that a resident carry this card with them at all times in order to prove resident status. Obtaining a Japanese residence card in Japan is very simple, and the process can be completed upon arrival at the Japanese airport. The residence card is one of, if not the most important article to possess while residing in Japan. So why do you need a residence card? This ID card will prove to be useful in performing day-to-day activities when you're living here in Japan, such as purchasing a mobile phone or opening a bank account. Having your residence card with you at all times is a must for foreign nationals here in Japan, as people in authority may routinely request for this document in certain scenarios. Failure to present your residence card upon request by authorities can result in a fine of up to 200,000 yen and up to 1 year of imprisonment. Therefore, it is necessary for all foreign nationals in Japan to have and carry their residence card at all times. Who are the people issued a residence card? A residence card is issued to mid to long-term residents who do not come under any of these below: persons granted permission to stay for 3 months or less, persons granted temporary visitor status, persons granted diplomat or official status, special permanent residents, persons with no resident status, persons recognized by Ministry of Justice ordinance as equivalent to foreign nationals. What to do if your residence card is lost or stolen? In case your residence card is lost, stolen, or severely damaged, you need to reapply for a new one at immigration within 14 days of damaging or losing your card. You first must go to the nearest police station to submit a report of stolen property or report of lost articles. Please bring the report of loss or theft certificate issued by the police department with you when you go to immigration. Moving to a different address. If you move to a new address, report to the residence section or Jayamanka of your old and new city office within 14 days of moving to a new address. Your old city office will issue you a certificate of moving out or tenshetsu shomaisho. You will then take the certificate to your new city office to register your change of address. The office will update your address for all government services automatically. Also, if you are going to be outside of Japan more than 1 year or are permanently leaving Japan, you need to notify the residence section of your ward office or city hall. What is status in the residence card means? Status of residence is the legal status under which a foreign national is permitted to stay in Japan. Your status is written on your passport. There are 27 categories of status based on the activities of foreigners in Japan. If you obtain a certain status, your activities will be limited by that status, and you must do what you claimed to the immigration office that you would be doing. You cannot do paid work for more hours than your status allows. Each residence status has its own period of stay, the longest being 3 years. To stay longer, you must either file an application to extend your period of stay, or file an application to change to another status before the expiration date of your current stay period.